So you
Except
don't
Albion.
get worried. Yeah, Albion is fine. So you don't get worried about your money stuff, and you don't feel bad spending. Kay, like, can literally buy two.
Baliktad pa gid ako no.
Kaya mo nang it works ba agad sa kuha? Kanang giingon ni siya.
Yeah. The heck, Paula? Why are you chatting in Steam?
I think they expire.
Ah, it's expired. Just say something, bro.
I thought nag-chika pa mo. Kilig.
Grabe ka pula eh. Ati, I will punch your gut.
Tawa ko din yan ako para baka. Oh, nana.
Di lagi siya magana. Rotation lock. Doesn't lock.
Yes. Nag-record na siya. Okay, let's go. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, si...
I had big body that cannot lie.
That's JD. You getting the invite, Jid?
Yeah, nagkuhan ako. Humandra ko Overwatch.
Okay.
I'm overtime na. We're actually winning.
Hutdan ko kuan slot sa kuan VIP. Wait lang guys. Abay sa ako.
Am I in? Hello?
Not yet.
What? I joined.
Ah, there you
That's
are.
why you do this, son?
Son, basta imong kuha, nakay ka ng fan for the laptop.
I have PC.
Oh, fuck.
Are you having overheating issues?
Yeah. Now it's fan, but it's not enough para maano. Damn it,
You have aircon in your room or no?
I have. Pero kuan nagagamit sila mom sa tikas room niya. Di na ako gusto nga kung pumasok ng bill.
Why you draw a small PP on your PP?
Not a lot of choices, Paula, when it comes to laptop. You're gonna have to use any fan you can find.
Ay, pakadungog ka na ko?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a big
You
small
stand in the middle stuff in that red one. You will be hunter.
Infection lagi.
We play infection.
No, it's if you infection. Mo yung nakabutang.
Ay, okay.
Naidik si Stephen.
That's the first
get
thing
a-
he draw pag join niya.
Oh.
brown dick.
Brown, but you're white. Whose child are you?
I
Pwede man din
mix.
ma-off ang katong points, Jid.
You wanna turn it off? I feel like okay lang to. I-on, okay ra po di oh. I-on lang tong interval thing siya katong.
Yeah.
Kinsay
Always
kinsang
self.
interval na to. Every minute, every
Yeah.
30,
Yeah.
every minute.
Minute.
Yeah, pakit 45 yeah.
So we will be whistling 5 times. Ay,
Okay.
4 rather, 4.
I have ascended.
Kinda didn't.
What the hell?
This is
Grabe mo naka-hadlock. Stick.
Sa man ang map for sewer.
Yeah, ate.
Na ko'y taguan ng isa. I don't know. Ang painting skills na lang wala.
Bay, si Paula bay.
Ay, Hunter, madik. Never mind.
Next round na ka mo tago.
Yeah, yeah. Take turn.
I get the birds back. Pula lagi ko.
Yeah, you have to
Interplicate.
kind of chill and wait.
I-paint sa imo self stuff while you wait.
But I have a hiding spot, but it's not that far there. Yeah, it's right here.
What?
You motherfucker, why are you here? No! How did I? I spot.
Someone mo.
Wala kita na ako, Paula. Wala kita ni Sean. Who was trying to grief me.
Will be. What the fuck? Ay.
Sabi ka hayag. Ganun hayag na kung no.
Ano wala opacity shit diri ah?
I know, right?
Ako, oh wait
May
lang. Tulo,
rotate option ani sa mo pa.
glibog na ko. Kanang rotation na kong dili.
Bro.
Fuck!
Yeah, wala pa ko nahuman.
Oh my god.
Asa mo guys?
Ano si Steve? He's walking out. Ako nahuman, yawa.
Klaro kay Bang Green. Sa kabanda. Wala yung mag-counter.
God, you fucking
No.
rat. Yate ka pa. No. Oh my god. God, you rat.
Si
Can you
Paula.
guys like
Yeah. The fuck? Wala.
asa mo?
Oh.
Like,
Yate makasan. What the fuck? This is like,
Oh
did
my
you even
God.
color yourself?
I hear
Yes,
one.
just a bit.
What the fuck do you mean? Wala, nalagi na yung weird shit imutiil. Oh, it's for that. Pero di, kebo ka, dili kayo okay,
Am I
sige.
cold or am I...
Do you have F5 did
You have,
Every minute man stuff mag-whistle again pa kay time.
I will say, you saw them. That's all I'm gonna say. You saw them already.
I saw
Oh
them.
my god, this dude.
Am I cold or am I... Am I cold or am I hot?
Right, Paula, right? Like,
Whistle stuff 10 seconds. Listen
Oh my
carefully.
god.
mo whistle na oh.
Only one.
Oh, you heard that. You heard that. I heard that. We both heard that.
On. I am lagging.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh? Inirap akong Udi.
My god.
Bro.
Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa.
The fuck?
Oh, whoa.
Uh,
No, Steph, it's gonna whistle, okay, Steph? You better fucking listen. Gonna whistle.
Hello?
120. 120 ba? 120. You're gonna whistle. You're gonna hear a whistle.
hello?
Bro.
Whoa.
All I dare you to whistle.
What the fuck is ooing? What the fuck is
Oh, naman si
sushi?
Keanu. Oh, whoa.
Fucking mute that fucking ooh motherfucker. Go back to Valorant. Ooh bitch. Online si Marvin. Bet na to ni sila. Feel ako dagan ni sila.
Sean, who the fuck, Sean? How the
I guess pag
Am
sa
I-
start yun kay, you know, it can be...
Am I blind? I don't
you're not blind. You're just kanang new to the game.
You're blind, not deaf.
Familiar lagi no.
Whistle
I
in
still-
10
Is that from
seconds. Steph.
Dora? Familiar lagi na nga saying. I'm blind, not deaf.
like the amount of times Steph and
No,
Steph-
I said you're blind, not deaf. What the fuck
Oh my
you mean
God.
I'm blind, not deaf?
Si Illidan.
Wala,
Illidan
makita-
said
funny-
that.
funny. Wala, funny ba tayo magitan ka sa sides? Na angle nga, klaro kay ka.
5 seconds. Am I cold or something?
Di ba kadugog sa whistle? Like,
Tama na yung whistle.
Iniking audio? Digit?
whistle daw, tro Paula.
Ano sa server name, Mother Truckers?
I'll invite you, Ken.
You have to wait. We're almost done.
Ayo,
I am
I'll just invite you.
Bro,
Whistle daw. Whistle na to.
how is that dumbass fucking part working?
I can't see shit. Is it the rainbow? Cause I know he's gay. So awesome.
Sean, this is not good, Sean.
Motherfuck. Asa si Shed?
The blinking one.
Sorry mo na siya.
Atoy ko na
Wait,
Yeah,
Saka?
straight.
nakakanawa ka ng circle.
Ah,
That's me.
Yun, ako madali kini na mapa.
Ay, grabe ka obvious si Sean, tarawa.
Oh my God. Na-move pa dyan na ako. Yaan. Sabi na si Keanu, papi na si Keanu.
There's no internet. I restarted the modem 3 times and it's still broken. How am I completing the flight?
Where is...
Your computer's internal network sockets are completely corrupted. You're trying.
Ano ang hunter?
Okay.
Pil ako.
Why is it not working?
Hold it again. Nightmare.
Sub-Zero. Fuck is Sub-Zero. Not working. I click play game. Do I have to quit game?
Try daw.
Start na?
Stop.
No, wait pa tayo.
I can watch me
look-
fly, guys.
look-
Yeah, they watch me fly. Ascend. Asa man to
I like
ascend
it.
na ano?
Awa ko, yaway sila mo walk. Look at them. What the fuck is this?
I will quit game. Invite me daw siya. Again.
Helicopter.
Online si
Helicopter.
Kipoy, guys.
Bahala na siya. Yawa na si
Fuck,
Kipoy.
fuck Kipoy.
I be walking down the street and then oof,
Na-slide. Oh, yeah, oh,
I get up.
yeah, oh,
I
oh my god.
sadness get up.
Is it me or the Counter-Strike ang isa?
Yeah, oh, yeah, oh.
Invite me, please.
No, you bully my child.
Si JD atong last time kay kasi ganito imong position genetic ingani naman to please please
Hindi ko na malaman na ko. Please.
nilumod siya so I was aiming my shotgun at you bro
Dili ko kasulod sa lobby. What is this
Ayun,
bullshit?
kung namoy makita na yun,
Try to remake.
wala
I'll make it
Or
again. the
tell me
lobby.
what's your server name.
It's ISIS server.
6, 7
Invite you all again.
okay
Saan yun?
Pag invite ti kakyan, imo name kay nasa abos wala sa taas. Which is odd.
You're offline in Steam.
You're offline yan.
What? I have to restart Steam? Fucking Fine. I quit Steam.
Ascend.
lagi
How do I disable game
sound
bar?
of disappointment thank you
Dapat they should allow friends to join.
No?
Hello, I'm the only one here. Yeah, what the frick? Someone
Relaunching
fell. Oh, what the
Steam.
frick? Nara mo di mo sa taas.
Logging in,
Ascend.
loading user data.
Does this count as moonwalk?
Invite me again, please.
Invite Sean.
Stephen is drawing another trick.
Karma.
Moonwalk. Smooth criminal.
Smooth
Nigga,
criminal.
nigga.
Why are you
Nigga.
green?
Nigga.
Invite to invite
Nigga.
shit.
What's wrong with the invite system aning game?
Why am I not there again?
No,
My
it's like
skill.
dapat kaduha siya. Pareha
Do
sa
not-
Offline.
Yan, do not accept the invite sa Steam.
Where do I accept the invite then?
In game.
There's no invite in game.
Kawas na.
There
Just
is.
wait.
Well, how
It's
did you
kinda
do that?
late.
Whoa, how did you do that? What the frick?
Nigga.
How did you do that?
Nigga.
How did you do that?
Yeah, cold Jid.
How did you do that?
It actually looks good. No? Like a clean moonwalk.
What the hell? So no.
Kabalo.
How do you
Paula.
do that?
Paula, yeah.
Can you do
You've been hit
sideways?
by. You've been shot by a smooth criminal.
How did you do that? It's already.
Even si Stephen Cabalo.
Wait,
Dahil.
that's not hard. What the fuck, man? Wala. Hint din ako, Paula. This what I'm doing right now. This is a hint.
What are you doing? I don't know how you do
Yo, your
that.
name's gone, Ken. Is it like me? Ato na sa taas?
What the hell? How did you do
Oh,
that?
it's up here now. It's up here now.
Wala, naka-chat pa din.
No, like, dili ko mo move, Paula. Oh. Di ko
Gani,
mo-
how did you do that?
I don't know.
Inani pa.
What the fuck?
I'm a moonwalk.
How is it still not, ano?
Oo,
Still
naikaktus
says
nila ba eh.
signing in.
Naikaktus nila ba eh. Oo, naipatay nila ba eh.
Starfish. Ay, starfish! What if tayo map ng nice sea? Or mo na ilang next map? Si sea.
Man ata mga mods. Dagan may mods ata.
Ayun, you're right. Nation
I'm a ballerina.
Try to search ang server can. The name is ISIS server.
Yeah, it still says signing in. Game, not
Oh.
signing in. Fucking game.
Kaya, kabalo ka ni.
Ballerina. Ballerina. Ballerina.
Yawa ang mga trip.
No, I can't sign in. Wow, game.
Look.
I mean, fucking
What the
restart my computer.
Yaoi? Yaoi. Yaoi. I just caught live action of Yaoi ni Lashan on ZB. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm not even in
God.
game.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
I'm not
Oh
even
my
in game as well.
That was caught on cam. That was caught on cam. Si Stephen kayo ng road.
Yes po. Yes po. Try na ako basta maka-invite ko. So pag-invite
Ano yun?
is... Macho?
Invite ka.
Invite na.
Yaoi? Yaoi?
Ay, receive.
Dago ya ay. Here is the suspect.
Huwag mas kaya na.
Look, you should
Ascend.
like a god.
Nag-invite na ako.
That's so weird, ang knees.
I'm down on my knees.
Yo, this looks like Half-Life, dude. With a head crab.
Yeah,
Also.
it is, bro.
Wait lang. Nako'y nabalaan na post na bagay.
Yeah, hindi asin si Stephen. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Pwede ikaw host, Ken.
Oh yeah, pili po. Haganero, Lemorion. Haganero.
Naka-invite.
What's up, Step? I can't see shit.
Wee!
Puro siya nag-skydive.
Watch it from the...
Is Ken here? Ken, I think that you need to allow, di ba, you guys remember na I allow thing when you, pag ano, kanang allow private public network thingy. Oh, there, nice. You are here.
Invite na ko siya
Yay,
kadaghan.
nandun siya.
I-check yung kon Ken. Nasa kon.
Nandun siya.
Start.
He's
Go.
here, he's here. Pili.
Ayaw,
What the hell?
Ragod niya.
Not like, is that a tie?
Ano ako guys, naglupad-lupad ako guys.
Ken, hunter ka, Ken. Stand in the circle. Well,
Please, dili ako hanto.
Wait, what? Oh, si...
I am Haunt.
What's ni nga map? What's ni... Oh, okay.
Wait na yung mapa.
What's the map, guys?
It's the
Macarons.
No. back rooms.
Oh
Naman,
dear.
lisod man ni pangitaan.
No, lisod ni taguan.
Lisod gani taguan. Asa ko ni mutago. Nakoy plan.
Fuck.
Paint mo. Wali soda ano lang. Dito. Masutan. Sud man kayo ni guys?
I don't know, up to you, man. You discover, you learn, you do math.
Araw kayo ko.
Ready or not?
I am not.
Ala, infection man din eh.
Oh, so nimo ni mo kauban.
Well, my bad.
Ituyo to ni Sean, guys. Ano hilom kay Skiano? As Skiano.
What the fuck?
Hey, calm down. Calm down.
Ascend doon lang. Hello there.
Okay, wait.
Show me the others
Okay.
or else.
Oh, wait, Sean, I just realized. Like, tani, pag, okay, I'm not stalling her. I'm really stuttering.
Why did you change color?
Nothing. Ayun go. ang
Serpentine.
ang infection is I think we don't see each other hiding. So like no one
Yeah.
can like guess kung you know.
Wala pa nakuman.
Grabe yung blue tab.
Oh shoot.
Wait, why is Keanu so silent? Open your mouth, man.
Nakamut.
Bye. Paula's at the light, I bet you.
Let's see.
Okay. Wala.
Wala may shadow.
Asa may step in? Are you ratting or are you actually trying to blend in? Where are you?
I don't know, bro.
What the fuck is this shit?
Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
What are you trying to be?
Magiging... What?
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man ako this bitch niya.
Oh my god! Where are you, Step?
Yawa.
It's okay to hide.
Where are you?
Whistle and step.
We're
We're friends. Stephen. Pila ko na
friends,
ni sa
bro. We're friends.
vending machine ni si Stephen ba? Where the fuck are you?
We're
Yawa.
friends.
Doon ninyo guys. Gago.
Kano sa ganyan? Next
Naghahanap-
whistle.
I don't know.
4, 3, 2,
Oh, yeah, that.
1. Whistle.
Ay, where are you? He was near Keanu. Oh, wait, where was he? Oh, he was here. No fucking.
Yeah, it's my bad na ano na ako infection.
killing.
That was good.
Nasa day mo to nun?
I was at the
Tapos,
locker
Pahiga.
the moment.
Iya game, hayag ba kayo na area? Lisod kayo mangitag kuan ba taguan.
ano, right?
Basic.
It's very hayag.
Kailangan dapat ni mo i-adjust before ka mo commit.
Ito na hunter na ni.
Kisa. Ay, random.
Unless na mo tama
Oh
ko
my
dala sa
god,
to.
that's so eerie. Like, si JD na sa taas.
Nag-cross.
Hunter ko.
Oh my god, that's
Yeah,
the...
hunter.
And
Oh, si Keanu.
Keanu sa lahat.
Oh my
Guys.
gosh. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Ay!
Ay, ay. Fuck this. I'm gonna commit.
Ay. Saan mo guys?
Okay, what am I thinking?
Are you kidding me? No. No. It's getting worse. Oh my god. It's getting worse.
I think this map is the hardest.
Yawa, lisod din kayo. Yeah, lisod kayo ba?
I gave up on my spot.
I give up. Lang. Na lang yawad. Ano ko? Paint.
How the fuck do you change brush with
Hold right click.
Oh.
Tapos right or left sa mouse. Not click but ka ng swipe.
The fuck is this bullshit ass map?
Holy shit!
Bay, wala ko naka-paint in time.
Passion.
Dugay kayo. Wait, Ken, why is your back painted but not
Yo,
pistik ka?
oy! What an asshole!
Yung nagtapad na sa step and sige. Kaya mo decision niya. I thought you were the ones on top, but never mind.
Dali ana step. Dali ana.
Di na rin
Bro.
makita na pagkitaunon. Kaya like they are blending in and kind of crevice-esque.
Yeah,
Wala,
I guess
confident with this one.
Oh my god!
Sean, can you increase the painting time? Pisti man siya.
It was already 3 minutes.
Yawa, magita pa man taglugor. Di bitaw, kira bitaw.
Uda
Sige
na mapa eh.
Di ba kung increase ang
Pwede
paint time,
siya,
I wanna paint like karag yung shit ba? Like para ng door sa
Piano
house.
climbing.
Actual effort
Saan
Pwede pa
paint.
Padulong.
na yan at
Oo, para lingaw, para katawanan yun siya.
how the fuck do I...
No, I think limit na na dara kit. Di ara katawan yun.
That's bullshit.
But I feel like the moment you will see Paula when you see Paula.
Yeah.
Iyaha ang pinaka-obvious. And if they win this with Paula, you suck.
What?
Di bitaw. Oh, Stephen, sa pumig.
Why's the game sound so fucking not there?
Saan kay like, you can see him sort of. Wakay na dunggan whistle, Ken. Sige na ba sila whistle?
Nope. Where you at, mother trucker?
Oh my god, Chad, you asshole.
Yeah, I think.
Ang
Did you
lisod pangitaon
did
ng
you
si Sean.
pee?
That's what I... Yawa. That makes sense. Yeah.
Shut up.
Sabi ko. Oh my God. Sean, kita ka, Sean. Kita ka, Sean. Yati.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Yati. Pisti kami karatag isa doon yun. Yawa.
Oh god, you pissed me.
Yawa, may. Di ba kasi?
Sirap si Shen.
Ikaw yan.
Yeah, I can see. You traitor.
I will say,
Yo,
Ken,
isa pa ka minuto.
you will hear
What?
you will hear a whistle now. No?
Goddamn timing.
Oh my lord. Pisty, what
Like
is
I
this?
said,
Stefan is a traitor.
This guy's ratting around, bro.
I know, right? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You win this step. We win.
You win step, we win. Pag one step, pag 5 seconds ka ni-spam mo whistle.
Yeah. It's spamming a whistle.
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Wala na, walang internet.
Are you kidding
Yun
me?
na, walang internet.
Are you on about? You're still gonna win at this point.
You can whistle now.
Yo, nag-log it ba eh? Like, wala nag-move akong times ako. Is it me or unsa ba?
Nadiri ka, no? Glowing motherfuckers right here. To your right.
Nawala ang internet. Oh, I mean, internet nawala ang kuan.
Your Discord is fine.
Yeah.
No, I mean, like sa
And
game.
Kiana
wala
is still
nag-
moving.
Sorry, wala.
Ang times ako kay wala nag-move.
Maybe need ka
Recon lang.
mag-recon.
Yeah, recon lang.
I got stepin.
Nindot bitaw ang tasyan ko like naka rotard kuan gyud
Ano?
fucked up shit.
Ano?
Mana?
Ano?
Are you out?
Not
Ay,
yet.
wala pa. Like, nag-stuck ko sa 32 seconds.
Quit. Tapos I invite you.
Rejoin lang.
Kuya, naragi. Tanggal
Wait a
ko.
bit. BRB! I be in game, but so that I won't rejoin.
Wala. No.
Best head spot ever.
Yeah, I.
Unang best head spot. Yeah. Wala, gid nawala. Gitanggal ko.
Rejoin na lagi.
Yan, gitry na ako. Di ko ka-rejoin. Invite daw, guys.
Siyan, invite daw siya.
There you are.
Yay.
Nadaog ko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my.
Isa ka to niyan. Wala di ko nasakpan ba.
Oh Lord. It's our Lord and Savior.
Di man ni red, why is it? What?
Start na?
Oh, yeah, Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Sakit na.
Oh, it's the bar.
GD.
Oh my Lord.
Ako nadumduman na
Oh my gosh.
Murag unsa ko kaptik ko.
Nadumduman na ako ba kasi diba? Should I do that shit or should I not? Isa ang kuhan.
JD ang hide.
Siyan, wait, I need more time. I'm not done drawing.
What the hell? Paula, you're sticking out like a sore thumb, bro.
I know, right? Should I?
Wait lang.
Bro, I'm not getting the right. I don't
Copy
know.
the color.
I am. Didn't cook a coffee. What?
I'm stuck. Ano eh? I'm dead as fuck.
I'm dead as fuck as well. Di siya coffee. What the frick?
Nag-lag ko. Pero I hope
Hi guys.
Yati, what are you supposed to be, Jin?
Honestly, don't know. What the fuck is Stephen doing here?
Kaya ano na.
Oh. Okay, abi na ako nag-lag si Stephen sumutog. What the hell? Do you see me?
Yes,
Yeah.
because I am free cam.
Yeah, okay. Magani, I wanted you guys to see my very sad friend. Are one of you thirds again?
No.
I don't know.
Ay. Ay, ay. Is that okay? Is that a person?
Run, run.
Any balls in chat?
Istiwan ka step yati.
Piston ka, Stephen.
Asa ba di sila yata? So it's they're not here. I know that. So I should go back here.
Piston ka, Stephen. Get away!
I feel something. Yeah, ba makasuksok man mo diri. That's so evil.
yeah, gani gabi ka evil. I guess mo paid off gid din ako sige agdulag stealth game.
Oh my god, this dude.
I don't know where the fuck you guys are.
Asa si Sean? Oh my god.
Okay, can you at least tell me is it good or bad?
Whistle na, whistle. 5 seconds.
Yeah, whistle siya.
5 4 3 2
But you're not even here. Why am I over here? What the hell?
GG step.
Absolute rats,
wala na yun, wala na
bro. Yeah.
Si Stephen rat good.
Yeah, mga nga di. Stephen is the fucking rat. Like the
Is
real
he
rat.
hiding in a fucking hole or something?
No.
Yeah, you fucking rat. You piece of shit.
That's not the rat though. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Oh wait, you're
the
not the rat. That was
Yeah.
a rat.
The
Yeah.
real rat is still out there.
Yeah, what? Is that what it means?
Is he running around like a little bitch? Where are you running around, you fucker?
Oh my god.
What?
My god,
Hello.
bro.
Ala, ala.
Dude, that stepped me out in this asshole.
Where is he? Yeah, shit.
Too
I'm
much
stuck.
stealth games, bro.
Allah.
So Paula's somewhere here. I dare you, whistle again, bitch. Where are you, bro?
The wrong rat. Oh, I'm spectating the fucking rat, bro. Asshole. I dare you, whistle stuff.
Wait lang, last 5 seconds.
Pussy. Where are you? Oh. Asa ka originally?
No, yun. Sige na siyang tuyok-tuyok. Yeah, this one.
Ay,
Sige na
Moody, I
siyang
fucking
tuyok.
knew it, bro.
I
Nagliyok-liyok
can't believe nakitaan ko and si Paula wala.
Paula. Ay, the hell? Ay, yo, she's behind the damn thing. Obviously, I paint that shit.
Yati.
Why did you even paint yourself, bro?
I don't know. My paint was shit, bro.
We can do rat, but ang interval should be 30 seconds.
Yes.
Yeah, do that. Do fucking 30 seconds. Come
Yeah,
on.
we can do rat.
Wait, wait.
Random na akong map.
Lugi ato.
Beast Hunter na pod ko. Hell, man.
Oh my god, this good.
This is bullshit.
I need to find a good spot.
Yati. With 30 seconds, you really do have to move.
Wait, dili naman ni kamo. This is just hide and seek at this point.
God. Si Stephen. Saka Step.
I am not ratting anymore.
You have to kay 30 seconds ang whistle.
Really good spot.
Dapat kan isa ka area nun, dapat ni kan one. Nice.
Nayati, grabe matatanan ka rat.
I know, right?
Fuck you guys, I'm quitting. You fucking, I get 2 hunters twice. So yeah, mag-rat mo.
This
Ay,
is so... Kita
very-
ka sa ko, Paula.
Yeah.
Solid.
Kinakasa ako.
Oo, yati. Press 5 step tapos right click or left click
Wait
para
lang, wait lang. I
maka-change
am looking
change.
for you guys. Asa mo? Can't see you. Asa mo? Ano ko makita yung name?
I-ano lang, like right click or left click. Para mo, ano.
Motherfucker, yun sa mo pagsulod. Yeah. Yawa, Spider-Man.
Ain't no way. Stephen just said where you are.
What the frick?
Tao na yun diri. Fucking hide. Nanapod ng iya dagan-dagan. Sure.
You're worrying too much, bro. Feel na ko, wait lang. Asa? Si asa si? Wala na ako nakita yung mga siya. Asa ka? Ano? No names yun. Wait lang, I'm confused. Asa ka siya? Kita bang names?
Am I the towel?
Oh, well, I don't see
Am
that.
I good? Oh wait, no.
Fear ako nakita dari akong pangalan. Si siya. Wala ko nakita ang pangalan niya siya.
Just scroll right or left sa ano.
Jello, Pure. Ako dari. Kasi mong old position.
Same lang. Hint Jid, we never moved.
Yeah, we
For now.
remove. I don't plan on moving. I think.
I cannot see again. Mas siya, ano ko makita? Where are you, bro?
Yan lagi stop like pag free camera ni mo, you right or left click lang para pang scroll sa players.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nara din.
Kila ka. Uy, ate, na-daring.
Yeah, grabe man mo karat, guys.
Kita tanan, rat kita tanan.
I don't wanna fucking
Pero mas-
do this anymore.
Maro mas rat si
Game.
See how rat that is. Ate.
Guys. Yeah, I'm gonna do
See
that.
how rat that is. Yeah, like,
Fucking
Si,
rat.
si Stephen ang rat. I dare you.
Stephen are like solid rat, dude.
God.
Oh, wala akong gibuhat.
So, pero wala siya ni move, dude. He's just really rat.
Yeah. I dare
Mas
you.
rat si
spam
Shani.
it. True.
Mas rat si Shania.
No fucking way.
Yeah, legit din. Hindi ba klaro?
No fucking way.
Rat, dude, rat.
Pero, it's either too dark. Too dark.
Oh my god. I dare you. You spam it. Oh my gosh.
You're ratting behind this thing. Are you kidding me?
Do you
Get
want
up
to
here.
I'll give you one clue. I'm giving you one clue. Don't look down.
Yeah, why it's so hard to traverse this area?
Yo.
Look,
Yeah, I got that.
Ay, I don't even see the outline.
Dali.
nasa taas ni mo. Taas ni mo. Pikas na room.
Oh.
Extremely rat.
Ay. Oh my God, what the...
Grabe man yun ang map yati.
I don't rate. Even see
Pero
check
sa
ang
tanan-tanan, kapila gid ko gitan-aw ni
May
Shit,
Yan, may
bantay
crush ako game.
kali karon
Di.
Crush
ano
ako
pag
game.
Oh shit.
dili na data magkamilya na. We're just fucking hiding. Sige. Yo, but para
Kamilyon man
sa
ako.
kula ha. Di nalay ko pakiyaw.
Rat gameplay.
Rat gameplays. Oh shit, nawala.
Oo, ni crush ako again. Create again.
I forget. Oh no, wala na po. Hindi. Oh shit.
Wala na po.
Yeah.
Punong yun na emo chat. Nagag.
No.
Muwa gyapon.
Yours, Jid. Can you
Wala
join?
lagi. Wa gyapon.
Sa main. Ziwan na tawag ba ito? Ano magpangalan? Ay, start na? Oh? Yeah, what the hell?
Oh, oh. Position. Oh my god.
Fuck this I'm ratting. Fuck.
Rat the hell up.
Oh, bawal ko dito. May man din na area. Wait lang this.
Rat to your maximum, guys. Ate, wala ba yung black diri? Give me black, bro.
God.
Ako plan. Dili ko mag-rat karon.
Wow, thank you for the consideration last time.
Joe, where's my Joe?
Lang. Ano ba?
Oh.
Wala, you have 80 seconds, bro.
I know, right? Okay.
You know what? You know what?
Ano pa din yung second floor? Ma... So... First floor. Wala, may something there sa second floor. Wait lang.
Oh my god. Am I?
I wish I was a good enough artist to paint Saikuno.
So good at room? I don't remember.
Wait lang guys.
Oh god.
Paula took my spot.
Tigdungan na ta ato, Jin.
Bro! Where are you? What the fuck is that? Oh, you're there. Okay.
Bitaw.
Ilu. Ilu.
Ako yung- Paula kung ano.
Mag-ghost elf. Tapos ako. Taguan.
Ilu.
Step. Chains. Oh, there you are. Oh my god.
Kita ka sa ulok ni
This map is so fucked.
To be fair, Stefan's not ratting right now.
Yeah, true. What a fish, bro.
Imo na gid ni Shan. Good luck.
Kita siya eh.
Oh, that was really good, Yati.
It's super
Kay shit's
good.
shiny. That was really good.
I was not being that. Asan ni? Ate, ang sa manay mo dyan, grabe lang ako.
Allah na hint. Allah na hint. The person in this room, stay in this room, okay?
Jin,
You
where are
move
you?
a muscle, I will shoot. The fuck is that shit? Is that a thing? Wala na paint og tarong.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Ito na work pala kung wala kay whites.
Dili na lang ako mapaint.
I couldn't hear the other whistle properly. You're still here, Jid?
Maybe.
Yes, then. Do not move, okay?
I am not.
You're in a good spot.
Not
Ah,
really.
yes. I don't know. I guess.
I don't know, bro.
I don't know as well.
Eh, dapat ready mo, no?
Yeah, Paula came in the room, saw my spot, so I realized, shit, he will probably look under the fucking couch. I'm gonna leave.
Dati ako pag iuna namatay sa yangat eh.
Where is you, bro?
You were literally on me. That's all I can say.
I dare
mo
you,
kita.
Jid. I dare you, Jid. 10
Why are you
seconds or
moving?
5 seconds.
You were literally on me, Shan.
Yeah, I can't be daring.
Up, up. Whoop. Whoopa.
This rat.
Look up.
Oh, nice, Yati. That's a nice spot.
I was a third on the roof, bro. Yeah.
What the frick?
Pagsunod ni Paula dito nasa ko head fuck, he's gonna check here. I'm leaving. Like,
Kaya nga
Yati.
sa akong spot. Uy, nakita man dahil.
tiny kay custom. Nice beto. Imuha. You kind of blended in. Good.
Kaya ako gigiunan ni siya nung pagkita.
Dapat imulubot ang nagkuan at tubang dili si kuan.
Oh,
Gitry
yeah.
na ako. Ingon siya kuan sa tagadat ni your fun area will be kuan ipakita sa
Idakak lang
kalaban.
gamay para makuan. Siyan, i-lower na ang kuan siyan. Timer o niya. Wala na yung rating. Piece of shits.
Ano sa timer?
So rating ako
Itong
Itago
kuan.
shit ko.
Ayoko po.
Kuan. No more rating na ta.
Okay naman yata mag-rat.
Ah, bro, that's cheap. I felt so ratty ato. Yeah.
Kasi mas rati sa upat.
Yeah, it's stupid.
No question. No contest.
Ikaw na food, Paula.
Okay.
No, hunter lagi ko.
Oh, it's this area.
On gihapon ng 30. Okay, this area is huge.
Pas lagi ang ulan. Bit lang murag. I don't 30 seconds ra.
What's the time?
I don't know what to color
sir.
myself.
To hide.
Or to hide.
Reset ba ang time?
What the hell?
Agnero. The floor video.
My God. Hindi niya na po.
I want it to be both, okay? I want it to be both. I feel like mali na time mo na reset siya.
Wala ko
Pas
i-reset.
lagi. Sa search time
na-reset
niya.
ang time? Mas pa sa ato eh.
I know, rate 50 seconds.
Basta ni-reset ra siya on its own. Or siguro wala na ako na-set.
Where are you, Sha? Oh my God! Even I can't find you. Diri, what the fuck?
Is it
Yeah, Paula has to go with the
bad?
whistle.
It's so bad. It's for you. It's so bad. Like it's if Stephen was bad, like katong kuan, like really fucked up ang ka Stephen, Kashan is like way worse. Pag spectate na ako, I can't even see spot him. All I see is like something else. I genuinely thought you were that thing on top siya. fuck is he? What the fuck? Ginaradated to, what the hell?
Kill you?
Stephen's also ratting, but I think this is okay compared to what Shan is doing.
walay interval ang whistle,
Whistle.
ya ay ni-reset yun siya.
You wanna reset? I kinda wanna reset this. Oh, you know what? No, I kinda wanna see if Paula can. Pam mo guys siya ay
Ayaw
like
bitaw, no?
every pag be daring kay di Shan, si Shan dapat ang daring yun. Do you hear them, Paula?
Door.
Do you hear them, Paula?
Door. I do not.
Basta ha, they're both ratting.
Oh. Hindi. Gabi ko.
Si Shan ba sige spam og whistle?
Yeah, this there's the ring.
Hindi ka doon sa whistle, so it's not there.
Good luck, Paula. Basta ha, good luck, Paula. Wala ko line maigun, honestly, because this is insane.
Hindi?
Yate ka siya.
This is not possible.
They spam
Mm.
as well.
Yes, you should spam as well.
I'm gonna alt tab. This is gonna take a while.
Goni.
Wait, i-view ko dyan, i-view ko.
Okay. Sa ba?
Motherfucker.
What you doing?
Wait lang.
Yawa, spam.
Si Sayo! Si Sayo! Yeah, skill issue naman. Skill check pa rin.
That is this shot?
No.
Bakit?
Just takam ko.
Slow down, Makasan.
Naigo ko sa counter.
Yeah, I saw the clip.
Stephen!
Pamwhistle step. Come on.
Ah, it's not here.
Wala man siya nag-whistle.
Oh. Stephen!
He's not there, Paula. He's behind the wall.
Oh, wait, what? Is that? Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Iratag.
Remat.
Iratag.
What the frick?
I told you they're ratting. If honestly, mas lisod ang Kasan, Paula. That's why he kinda just stood up and ran.
Okay. I would not have been found.
Dili gyud nimo siya makitaan, Paula. Like di gyud ka ni makita ni. Like you look at him
Diri?
and not reacted. Night time sa nilingi ra gyud ka dito ang direction and he's just invisible, bro.
Camouflage.
Pwede ganito like we all just hide in the same spot.
Honestly, yeah. It would have been impossible siguro tag whistle sa kitchen.
Rat day siya nga spot.
Random.
Tas laging time siya para may courage to kuan to grow good.
It's weird, can you reset siya kalit?
Nahimo kuan tingala nga imi paingon ni Stephen na mura nang type. Lingi ko.
Bito,
Why is it 40
50 ka
seconds?
pin, 50 ka pin rasad.
Tapos nawala po ang katong whistle. Nawala na po ang whistle.
Oh,
Ah,
why?
ang
Ate Sasso?
ako gi-set up kay nawala.
Oh. Bagya po siya.
Ay, wait, naday.
Okay.
Hello,
Is this the same
guys.
map?
Invite
Where's
daw Marvin, guys. Invite daw Marvin more.
We reset.
Sige.
Sige.
How do I go back to the... I just show yourselves and...
Okay. Para ma-reset siya.
oh.
Hello, guys.
138 ang kuan. Time.
How do I invite someone?
Nag-ano pa,
Um,
nag-in-game po yan.
Invite to game, Lara. Nalahi naman po niya ako. Nalahi na po ako sense. Anong naka-free movement ko.
Kinsa ang kuan
Ako,
talker?
Paula is the hunter.
the hunter. I
You are
am the hunter.
You a bitch hunter. I'm with you. I'm spectating your ass.
Oh, legit? I am
Yeah,
the hunter.
literally on your ass. So smelly.
Some guys...
So smelly.
Why are you guys hiding, bro?
I'm not hiding. Literally, look where I am.
Ate,
We
ako
are
kay
waiting.
ako kay dinner served, bro.
Dinner is served.
No one.
Wala mo man,
Inyo kalaban sila Marvin kay one man to sila ating 4 of them. Mga architect ato kalaban, guys.
Oh my
You're gonna
god,
die.
we're gonna die,
Sorry, Dad.
bro.
Gray, like,
We're gonna be so good.
Ali, step kay mo reset na ta sa lab.
Oh,
Fighting.
mag-join
I'm stuck.
sila.
Yeah, join sila.
Honestly, Sean, if di ta mapatay ni Paula, believe na gid ko.
No, we will
Lang, asa
reset no, Jid.
We're literally in front of you the moment you spawn.
Okay.
God damn, still ka step. At least do a better job.
Why are you shit? Why are you literal shit on a plate?
kulit mo ko ba yun? I'm black.
Black.
Pwede ba tamo join na lang sa lobby ni Marvin?
Pwede na po.
Okay.
Okay.
Are we in-game miking then? Hello?
Yeah. But later when we get in.
Okay. What the fuck?
No!
No fucking way, bro.
Piece of shit.
Dagan step.
Oh my
Yawa
god.
may niligi si Paula nato ug ni walk away.
This fucking bitch is so blind.
Grabe siya kukulit, boy. Look at it.
Yo.
Mayuy si Stephen Morat. What the frick?
Para ni step kaniya pura yung tae ni sulod ni Itamax na ako.
Tama, tadap no, bro. Day dapat yapon.
Exit lobby, guys.
Okay.
Time mo dyan sila. Return to title.
I-invite na po ninyo twice or a few times before
Yeah.
start.
Ikaw invite sa mo, Ken.
Ay, Narashan, I will send you I will send it to Discord actually.
Ah, sige.
Go at that shit.